Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we will talk about documents for permanent resident for Canada. We will see what naming convention you have to give to your documents, what document format you can upload, document size limitation. We will also see how you can upload your photo with information written on the backside of your photo. So I am in my PR portal login, and if you scroll down to the section called supporting document, and there's a literature that you have to follow. And as per the first point, every document should start with your last name, space, dash, space, your first name, again space, dash, space, and what document it is, space, dash, and if you have same document more than one, you can give number 123. For example, Wong is the last name, space, dash, space, John is the first name, space, dash, space, and what document it is. So it is proof of education, and if you have multiple document for proof of education, then you have to give space dash 1, then 2 3. Also within naming convention, you only can use alphabets, which is capital and small both, and numbers from 0 to 9, and special characters like dash, underscore, and dot. Other than that, you cannot use anything. So let's see a few examples for these 2 points. So in this section, I have uploaded 3 passport. One is for primary applicant. This is my name. Dependent one, which is my child. And this is my spouse passport. So you have to give your last name, space dash first name, space dash what document it is. And you have to follow same method for all the document. And here I will show you one example where you have a special character in your file name. So see this example, I have used brackets in file name, but once you upload, you will get this message which says you cannot use any character other than these. So I have used brackets, and you will get this message, and it will automatically delete after some time, or else you can delete by clicking here. And if you see here, there's a tick mark which is accepted by IRCC or by this portal, and there's a cross mark here indicating that this is not a valid naming convention. So you can delete this, and you can delete if you have wrongly uploaded any document here. So these are for delete option for individual document. So same way you have to give naming convention for rest of the document. For example, this is proof of language proficiency and photos and birth certificate and even your application form. So if you go up, so what I have done here is first name, last name, and same name which is written here. This is the application form, followed by the application number. So adding this application number at the end is optional. I did it to get more clarity. Same way I have done for the employer application. And this is the checklist. And this is the recommendation letter. So I have used last name, first name, this entire text, followed by the form number. So these were the two above point. Next is photos. We will see photos after a while. I'll directly jump to the point file types. So these are the file types accepted by IRCC. So first one is PDF, and I recommend to make all documents in PDF. And next three are image format, your pictures, which is JPG, and PNG, and rest two are Word document format, which is Doc and DocX. I recommend to convert all the documentation, even it is an image or Word document, to PDF and upload the PDFs. So if you see all my documentation I have done, it is in PDF format. And if you want to know how to convert image file to PDF, it's very simple. Open Word document, put your image, and save that document as PDF. And last point is size of the document. So each file should not be more than 4 MB. So if you have file more than 4 MB, and there are very high chances to have one file more than 4 MB, because if you are merging all your pay stubs in one, or if you are merging multiple offer letters in one, so it will definitely become a heavy file more than 4 MB. So in that case, you have to make multiple files, and each file should have size less than 4 MB. And you can give 1, 2, 3 at the end of each document. Now we will discuss about photos. If you want to know the detailed information about the photo, you can click on this link. It will go to IRCC website where all the requirement of the photo, how it has to be taken, what is the resolution, what is the dimension, and it is mentioned here. This is already discussed in my previous video. You can check that. But here I will discuss how you're going to upload the photo. And minimum you should have 2 physical photos, and both photos should have these information behind them. After that, you have to put both photos together, and one should face downwards so that the information written behind should be visible. And from your mobile phone, take a photo like this, and that photo I have uploaded here. So this process is nowhere written in IRCC documentation. So this is just my understanding to convey the information what they have requested. So if you want, you can follow the same. And if you find any other better way, you can choose that. So let's go through this dummy application I have created and what different types of document I have updated here. So these are the forms, and these are the 4 different PDF that you have to upload that we already seen. This section is for additional application form. So if you are in common law relationship, you have to fill this application form and you have to upload here. And all the different type of application forms are listed here. You have to select any one. This will appear here and you have to upload. And these are the different mandatory document you should upload, which is passport, language proficiency, photos, and date of birth, proof of education as well. So as per your application file, you have to upload many additional document, and those are listed here. And I have listed few so that you can have some idea what documents are there. So here I have uploaded my tax information, which is one is from my home country, one is from Canada, and that is under this documentation name. Here are my PCC document for me and my spouse. And if you have any letter of explanation, you can add here. And if you have any translation or affidavit, you can attach here. For example, you have your birth certificate in your native language, so you can translate that document and update here. But your original birth certificate is uploaded here and translated document here. So I have put my Canadian driving license under proof of physical presence in Canada, marriage certificate, national ID, and previous work experience. So this is experience letter, this is offer letter, my pay stub, and reference letter from the organization. And if you see, I have written 1, 2, 3, which are different companies. So I want to show here that you can merge different companies experience letter in one and you can upload here. For example, I worked in 10 different companies. So I will attach all experience letter in one and I upload it here. In similar way, offer letter, pay stub, and reference letter. And if you want to delete any document, you can click here. And if you want to delete entire section, you can click here. And if you have to upload file, you can click here. In next video, we will see how to make a payment and what is the amount you have to pay as per the family size. So till then, bye bye, take care, and Happy New Year.